Is your home in need of some routine maintenance, but you don't seem to know who to call? We've got you covered. Welcome to SMC Plumbing and Heating, your #1 stop for all your home maintenance needs. Whether it's the little ones you've been meaning to do for a while, or a plumbing, heating or gas job, we are experienced enough and skilled enough to competently complete almost any small to large size jobs around your home. We offer the following services: gas services for all domestic gas emergencies including gas leaks, gas safe registered; central heating, new boilers supplied and fitted at unbeatable prices; plumbing works carried out by our qualified City and Guilds engineers; low-cost fitted bathrooms, service to suit all budgets; wet rooms design and installations; premium luxury bathrooms designed at no cost; tiling service including ceramic, porcelain, marble, natural stone, granite, your choice; shower panel services fitted by experienced professionals; kitchen fitting services finished to the highest of standards. And did we mention we operate 365 days of the year for any emergencies? Take a look at a few of our past projects completed for our very happy clients. We have over 400 reviews online. Stop spending time trying to find a handful of different tradesmen or coordinating their arrival on the project. Let us do the organising for you. Get your home improvement projects completed quickly and to your complete satisfaction from Cardiff's highest rated company, SMC Plumbing and Heating. No job is too small or too big, so contact us for a no obligation quote today.